How to find a lost Android phone. For you to be able to find your Android device, the following conditions must be met. You must be signed into your Google account on your device. The location feature must be turned on. Find My Device must be enabled. The device must be connected to the internet. The Google Play application must be installed on the device. Also, if the Save Last Location feature is enabled, you can find your device even if it is offline. So, let's start searching for an Android device. To get started, open android.com/find in your web browser. Sign into your Google account. If your lost device has multiple profiles, sign into your primary profile's Google account. To do this, enter your email and password for your account. The search page for your device will open. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. If you have multiple devices, select the one you want at the top of the screen. After some time, the location of your device will be determined and shown on the map. You can see the name of the network your device is connected to and the charge percentage. You can also force your device to beep. Lock your device and sign out of your account. Or delete all data from your device. Before running one of these functions, please read the description carefully. Thank you for watching.